Hello everyone, welcome to UI4Ya, the automation club of Rajalakshmi Engineering College. In today's video, we will guide you on how to download and install UiPath Studio community version. First, open your browser and search UiPath. Click on the first link that appears. In the top right corner, click this button, Try UiPath for free. Sign in using your Google account. You can use either your college email ID or your personal email ID. See, I have already created an organization. But for new users, it will prompt to fill a form. I'll create a new organization. Choose the country, region, India. Fill in the necessary details. I have named my organization as UI4Ya. Give student as your job title. You can name any name to your organization. You can give any name to your organization. Choose India. Now click Create Organization. This is the home page of Automation Cloud, where you can find many features and options. We will explore these later. Now, click this button to begin the download of UiPath Studio community version. Wait until the download completes. I have already downloaded the file, so I will open it now. Since we are students of REC, we are community users. Select the community user option to continue. Don't forget to tick the terms and condition. Click install. This may take some time depending on your system specification. The installation may prompt you to close your browser processes. Close the browser and click OK. Click OK to install the extension for browser. If it asks again, click OK to skip the extension download for now. We can download it later inside the studio. Let's wait until the installation completes successfully. Now click Launch UiPath Studio. This may take some time. Click Sign in. Sign in with your Google account and the organization you just created. Enable the extensions. I will click on the organization UI4Ya. See, we have signed in successfully. Now I will click this prompt, Open UiPath, which will lead me into the studio. I will click Continue. Choose a profile. Choose from the list below the profile you would like to choose. We will be preferring UiPath Studio. So I will click UiPath Studio now. You have successfully downloaded and installed the UiPath Studio community version. You can now go explore and create more automations. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials from UI4Ya. Thank you for watching.